Hi, my name is Luca Laufer. I'm a product manager at Rothenberger, and today I'm going to introduce you to a very special product. This is the PipeCut Mini, a battery-powered pipe saw. This is a saw that covers more cutting applications than all other systems on the market so far. Whether steel, stainless steel, plastic, copper, multi-layer or threaded rods and mounting rails, all of these are no problem at all for the PipeCut Mini. Let me first show you the pipe sawing application. For this, I have a stainless steel pipe, less than 42 millimeters. Lift, clamp, lower, move forward. You can see from the cutting depth that a straight and direct cut is possible. If you now have pipes over 42 millimeters, such as this cast iron pipe, you can also cut it. It goes up to 110 millimeters. It's the same system, of course, only in this case, additional ball bearings are installed in the notch, on which you can rotate the pipe. Insert the pipe, clamp it, move the saw blade forward so that you are at the rear end of the pipe, and then rotate the pipe towards yourself until the cut is done. If you now want to cut particularly small pipes or even threaded rods, that's no problem at all. For that, we have an additional notch here at the front. Simply insert the threaded rod, clamp it, cut, done. Quickly, precisely, and effectively. Cable duct profiles or mounting rails are also no problem at all for the PipeCut Mini. To do this, simply pull up the lever on the right-hand side. Pull the elastic lever slightly upwards, pull the PipeCut Mini out at the back, and there you go. You have a small circular saw that really lives up to the name PipeCut Mini. It's also possible to turn the PipeCut Mini into a cross-cutting saw. This is why there's this little accessory rail here. Simply slide the PipeCut Mini onto it. Let it click, and you have a cross-cutting system. This means that you can now really cut all types of panels easily and precisely, including wooden panels, multi-composite panels, such as showerback panels, also called decorative panels. The PipeCut Mini, as a handheld circular saw, can of course also be used as a plunge cut saw. For this purpose, there's an extra angle adjustment here at the front. Simply unscrew this little screw, set the angle as desired, and then turn it back on. The PipeCut Mini, as it stands here, is the perfect combination for stationary work in the workshop, or if you want to have a mobile device with you on the construction site that's easy to set up, and with which many applications can be flexibly covered. Keyword flexibility. The battery is of course also part of the CAS battery platform. CAS stands for Cordless Alliance System, and it's the first cross-manufacturer battery system for tools. That makes you A, completely independent of electricity, and B, you can use the battery for over 200 products from 20 different manufacturers. So, now it's your turn. Think about which cutting and sawing tools you can substitute by the PipeCut Mini, preferably in the comments below. Until then, thanks for watching.